do a raspy voice for a sec. So today I'm here with my promised video of my apartment tour. So I'm just gonna cut away and then we'll start from the front door and make our way back to the bedroom. Okay, so here we are at the front door. Okay, so we're gonna start the entryway. Just have a little rug in front. And here we have a little coat closet. So this is where we keep all our coats, and I also have props and wigs up there, as well as random shoes we wear and my supplies for sewing my little notions. Okay, so here we have the front room. There's a very beachy aesthetic. If you can't tell, me and my boyfriend are both from the coast, so we very much love this beachy wave aesthetic. I don't know how you can see right now, yeah, I have LED lights around my sliding glass door. And out there's the balcony with the outside storage. Over here we have our little gaming editing area. I keep my ring light over here. This is my boyfriend's area. Here I have a mirror I use. Mostly I use it for trying on cosplays or new outfits and see how they look. Over here is my little gaming editing area. I have my Surface right here, which I use for photo editing. I usually use my desktop for the video editing, and for voiceovers and whatnot, I have my Yeti mic. I also have LED lights on my computer, but they're little crappy $4 Walmart ones, and they're just not very great. Also, I have my meet and greets that I've done. I have a signature from Troy Baker on Sam Drake picture. I have me and my brother meeting Nolan North as Uncharted characters, and we have an autograph on a Nathan Drake picture. There's me and my friend Amy. We met Zachary Levi, which was Dream, and signed picture of Flynn Rider. I also had the amazing opportunity to cosplay the Bimbettes while meeting Paige O'Hara and Bobby Benson. And I got an autograph from Paige O'Hara dressed as Belle. Okay, so right here, we just have our little TV area. We're big gamers in this house. So we have a PS4 down there, and then we have our Switch right there. And come over here, and we have our bar stools. I have a little Google Home in the kitchen so I can listen to music. The counters are granite, which makes it really easy to clean. We have lots of counter space. And the appliances are relatively new. And in here, it didn't come with a linen closet in this apartment, so I have my piano books up there, our linens there, food there, extra stuff down there. Okay, and now we go to the laundry room. It's really big and has a lot of space. There's some of my cosplay stuff. Those are bins full of cosplays I haven't had the chance to shoot yet, as well as my petticoats and my photography equipment. And the washer and dryer is included in our rent, which is so nice. I also just have miscellaneous stuff all along the top, from my cosplay shoes to paints to laundry. All right. And as we head down our hallway, we just have a little collage of my boyfriend. Okay, come into the bathroom. I just have my makeup organized and just everything on top. The theme I'm going for in this bathroom is very ocean. Sadly, I didn't have like an ocean curtain, but that's the vibe I was going for. This was mostly left over from my old apartment, so when me and my boyfriend moved in together, he just kind of went with whatever I wanted. Okay, and now we get to the bedroom. We have a culmination of posters right here because we both love Persona. I love Kingdom Hearts and he loves Iron Fist, so we just kind of compromise there. There's my little piano, which I don't get the chance to play as much anymore, but I'm really trying to get back into it. Yet again, color is turquoise. I wanted to hang some string lights to give it kind of fairy light, like a really cute effect. I ran out of room because I am such a bookworm for all my books and my figures. So until we're able to get like a curio cabinet, this was the solution I was going for. So there's my limited edition Rapunzel doll, Harry Potter books, my Rapunzel crown with Pascal, Twilight books. I'm not even gonna like go into how into Twilight I was. A Moogle, another Rapunzel limited edition, classic books, picture of me and my boyfriend. Then I just have all his stuff on that bookshelf. I have my keyblades on the wall. And up here, I have my mini collection of Anna limited edition dolls. Go down, I have my Honoka little Tsum Tsum kind of plush. I have Sailor Moon, Silver, like Imperium Silver Crystal, and her first season brooch. Here's my kind of miscellaneous collection of manga and books. I have my Hermione wand. Go down here is my figures. I have lots of Anna and Kairi, Final Fantasy, Love Live, Sailor Moon. Okay, come down here and here's more of my books. I have my Sailor Moon wands and my Ocarina of Time ocarina. And then go down here, you have more of my art books and miscellaneous books. All right, and last stop on our tour is my closet. It's not very big at all, but we make do. So, okay, so that was the apartment tour. Thanks so much for watching. It was so fun to do. To help any of you guys wanting to furnish, me and my boyfriend don't have a ton of money to play with as far as decorating. So all of our stuff is really cheap. It was from a combination of Walmart, IKEA, and Ross, and Amazon. Our couch is from Wayfair. Our end table is from IKEA. Our TV stand is from Walmart. Our stools are from IKEA. Our bed is from Amazon. So just really cheap, inexpensive places. If you guys want any links to where we got them, just leave a comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching.